Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how I decorated my kitchen for the fall. My kitchen is very neutral, so having an opportunity to bring in those warm colors and tones are so much fun. So guys, I'm gonna keep it simple on my island this year. In lieu of a tray, I'm using this cutting board that says Happy Fall Y'all, and I think it's perfect with that warm tone with the wood. And I'm also featuring this cute vase. It's a ceramic vase. I kept the floral simple with leaves, but the ceramic vase has the really pretty sort of brown tones on it, and it's just so cute and perfect for a low profile design that I'm going for. I also have the cutest little pair of these pine cone flameless candles. They have a timer. I love these. And because they come in a pair, I'm using the other one on the countertop in another vignette. Because I love doing vignettes and odd numbers, they just look better. I took this tray, it's a leaf tray, and I just turned it on its side. Guys, it is so cute. It is perfect for this vignette, and it's a different wood tone. For my dispenser, I pulled it and just went in with a cute little pumpkin soap dispenser for the season. It's glass. I can use this every year, and then finish it off with a rust colored hand towel on the dishwasher. For my countertops, I am leaving the cookbooks there. I cook 90% of my meals, so I actually love the way the cookbooks sort of warm up the space and make it feel lived in. I do have a mini lamp that's on all year. During the evening, it just warms up the place, so why move it? I have a decorative tray and another one of those pine cone candles with a pumpkin, and I'm going to keep it simple, and I think that's perfect. Not too much, just perfect. I did add in this tray. It's perfect for adding in fruits that you're munching and snacking on, or any other veggies. Guys, I absolutely love it. And the orange, just a coincidence for fall, but this tray is beautiful. I love the pedestal and the scalloped edge. It's made of metal and it's so gorgeous, and I think it works well with all of those neutral tones in my kitchen. The other side, I just have my cooking utensils in a caddy. I have a cutting board behind it to again warm up the space. As you can see, these utensils are well worn. And then I have another little bowl for my garlic, and that's about it. On top of my stove, I have this pumpkin Dutch oven. I use this thing all year long, but then I put it away. But for the fall, it sits on top, so I use it to cook in and as decor, and I absolutely love it. It's one of my faves. I added in some hand towels to just bring everything together instead of my usual hand towels. And then above my hood on my cabinets, I added in a wreath. I love doing this for different seasons and holidays. This one is perfect because it's breaking up all of the neutral whites for my cabinets, and the color is so vibrant, and I love the way it looks. On the other side, next to my backsplash, I have my, once again, my cooking tools, except for the cute little pepper and salt gourds. Those are decorative. Everything else is just my balsamic vinaigrette, my EVOO, and things that I use on this little brown pedestal that I use every day of the year. This has not changed except for the little decorative gourds, and then a little poem from that my dad had. So I just miss my dad, so I just keep that there. In the other corner, I kept it super simple. I put in a little DIY terracotta pumpkin. I can leave the link for that actually in the description bar below if you want to know how I made those. And I add a little pedestal also, and then just another one of those little pumpkins that says thankful on it. The other one said grateful, with a little bit of sort of fall florals. And I kept it really simple there. I really did. Now on the other side of my kitchen is so much storage, it's crazy. And the weirdest thing is, when I was filming this, the pantry door was swinging open. I think my husband left it open. So you can see that's the pantry. The other one's a utility closet. The other one's where you put all the stuff for your wires and all of that for your cable. My pantry is L-shaped, so that's just the front of it. Then you go to the side and you can go walk towards the back. And then right here between my kitchen and the lounge, I just threw a little reef up there to sort of bring in more color for where I have a hanger there. And then what you can't see are the bar stools. You might have got a shot on it when I was coming in with the video, but yeah, I picked those black bar stools up about 3 years ago from Pottery Barn. I absolutely love these. They're super easy to clean. So yeah, I love these bar stools. So guys, I think that's it for my kitchen styling and a quick tour. I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.